If you have tried to download previous records of your V380 Pro camera footage directly to your phone but you don't know how to download it, in this video I will show you how to do that. First of all, like, share and subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. Open your V380 Pro app. Then select the camera you want to download the previous footage. Okay, this camera is live now. Then you click playback. Click this event group to change its display. Here is what I recorded today. Assume you want to check last week records. You tap here to display the calendar and select the date. Let's choose 10th. Let's see what happened on 10th. Then you confirm. This is a night record from 23 o'clock to 12 o'clock. That is 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock recording. Assuming you want to download an event that happened in the afternoon, let's say 12 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see the time of the recording and the minute the video recorded. Let's check this one, 102 recording. That is 2 minutes after one record. Let's check what happened. If you want to download this previous footage directly to your phone, you tap on your screen, then it pop-ups, snapshot, record and download. As you can see it here, then you click on download and you wait for it to download, finish. Download successful. After successful download, you go to your gallery to access the video. Then you minimize and open your gallery. So here is the video here.
They don't have this again. So the one they have, I think, is either 900 or 800.
So I used to sell for one of my 100,000.
Previously, 1 year is 100,000.
1 terabyte.
1 terabyte. Now they don't have 1 terabyte.
Yes, I just don't get all the locations.
So you don't
It's not limited.
This is the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.